Honda offers a Fit LX, a Fit Sport, a Fit X, and a Fit XL. There's something here for any individual who may spend under $20,000. However, the Fit LX is an outstanding deal. On the off chance that awesome gas mileage is an unquestionable requirement, the Honda Fit is an absolute necessity drive. The Honda Fit has routinely earned a portion of the best gas mileage appraisals among its rivals, and the most recent variant is the same. In view of the EPA's test, the 2018 Honda Fit is evaluated at 36 mpg for the most well-known form, so we give the Fit a 8 for efficiency in view of that figure. With the base 6-speed manual shifter, the Fit LX and X and Sport are evaluated at 29 mpg city, 36 roadway, 31 joined. With the CVT, the LX numbers ascend to 33, 40, 36 mpg. Because of additional gear, the Sport, X, and XL Fit measure more that and greater tires push down its mileage a bit to 31, 36 33rds mpg. The Fit's a tall hatchback, almost as tall as the HR-V hybrid Honda turns from a portion of a similar equipment. However, the Fit has a minivan-like shape that capitalizes on its impression. A wrinkle here, a crease there, the Fit's shape does nothing foul or exceedingly reasonable. The lodge appears somewhat occupied, however works all around okay. Our greatest grumbling is the tough stuff Honda uses to cover the dash and entryways. Power for the Fit comes as a 130 drive 4-chamber, which will hit 60 miles per hour in around 10 seconds. In case you're firm on the throttle, you'll know when it's going on. The inline 4 makes a lot of clamor when it's at full wrench. Honda offers a stunning 6-speed manual to Fit purchasers, yet the greater part of you will wind up with a CVT on the grounds that gas mileage is higher. Task is forget about it smooth, and on a few models, it accompanies move paddles that in eco no boxes like this demonstration more like twirly gigs than speed controls. The Fit hasn't scored consummate evaluations on the IIHS crash test regimen. However, Honda now makes forward impact notices and programmed crisis braking standard on about each model. Other standard highlights incorporate power highlights, Bluetooth sound gushing, the USB port, and aerating and cooling. Top models get root and calfskin and a side-C camera, yet the Fit LX is our pick for the most judicious purchase of the lineup.